Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how we can add Firebase keys in our Telegram mini app. So we have to click here on the setting, project setting, and here we will see the keys of our app. If you don't have app, then you can click here on the add app and just give the name and the keys will be generated. Okay, let's copy these keys. Here is our app. This is the bot for the sending message on the telegram or referral and storing data in the database. And here is the source folder. In the database folder, firebase, and here we will replace this. So in previous video I tell you there is two types of keys. These keys use in the front end, and even you can file if you have in the root directory like uh, dot env. If you don't see any developer file like me, because we are pasting creating a file here, but you can paste here keys in the environment variable, and then you can call the here process.env and api key like this. Okay, and there is other key for the account services for the node.js. We already downloaded this. Okay, here is the key for the node.js project. Like you will click here on the node.js and generate new private key and click on the generate key, so it will be download a json file. So it will be look like this. These keys you have to update in the bot for the environment variable, like here you can paste, and also you have to update the bot token get from the telegram. And if you don't have env file, then you can directly pass the api keys here. Okay, so some um, times you don't see here database url, so no need for this. Okay, don't worry about this url, and that's it.